Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up, everybody? It's over here at this pilot in Mont Eagle, Tennessee. That's what I meant to say. Anyway, I just pulled in here to get some fuel and coffee. Pull up to the pump, and they got this thing sitting alongside the scale. Take a look at this thing. I don't know what that is. What do you make of that? It says experimental over the door on the back left there. Looks like some thrusters, apparently, are installed in the cutouts. I'll just wait for this prime fella to drive by here. Stealing a little advertisement. Anyway, some thrusters. There's a label on the other side that says thrusters get put in between those red flags right there. And I'm not sure what the what the front of it would have on it, but there's like little doors all over it, and windows. And then we're gonna walk around here to the back, and there's actually a huge opening on the back of this thing, and it almost looks like it would have a cargo opening door. You know, one of those drop doors, like a ramp. Drive stuff in there. Look at that thing. It's freaking huge. I don't know what you make of that, but that is a big, big thing. There's some cool cargo netting things on the side there, and some metal seats in the side door there, looks like almost, but experimental. Fueling panel access door. I don't know what any of that is. There's all kind of wiring and stuff in there. Danger. Static port. I don't know what a static port is. There's another one right there. Look at all that. Cut wires. Lots of cut wires. There's a box in there too. Anyway, hey, I just figured I'd share that with you. Landstar's moving that thing. It's big. Anyway, later, everybody.